Upper Thames River Conservation Authority has installed a new solid settlement structure at an existing slag treatment system designed to help remove nutrients from silage bunkers and barnyard runoff at a large dairy operation northeast of Woodstock. Bunker silos can be a source of phosphorus entering streams through runoff, and high levels of phosphorus can degrade surface water quality. In 2013, Upper Thames worked with the farm owners to design and install the initial system to address the farm's concerns with nutrient runoff from the dairy operation. The design covers 2.5 acres and has three main components. At the top end, the settling area temporarily ponds water to allow solids to drop out of the runoff, where aquatic plants help filter and remove some nutrients before entering a standpipe inlet. From the inlet, water is then forced back up to the surface through a steel slag filter, which is a byproduct of steel production, and through a chemical process, the filter medium removes phosphorus from the water by binding it to calcium in the slag. Water is then directed through a 180-meter serpentine waterway planted in orchard grass to further remove nutrients and allow the water to infiltrate into the soil. The new settlement structure will collect runoff solids from the yard and bunker silos before the water enters the vegetated settlement area, extending the life of the steel slag filter. The concrete structure has steel grates which will intercept larger solids and allow liquid to pass through the system, and can be easily cleared out as needed from the paved access ramp. For more information, contact your local conservation authority for technical guidance and to learn about grant opportunities to improve and protect water quality in your watershed.